Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a, let's just say, practically brand new. This is a 2020 Bison Ranger 84. Sorry, that truck was loud. 8414. So Bison Ranger 8414. This would be the riser wall layout, rear kitchen. This trailer does have dual hydraulic jacks, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, aluminum wheels, does have a stainless nose. Again, this trailer has not been used but one time. Can't fault it for absolutely anything. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this trailer. It does have a hay rack, power awning. It does have a rear ramp. Collapsible rear tack, swing out saddle rack. Let me go around the other side, then I'll go in the horse box. Does have manger storage, 3 manger doors, all drop windows, escape door. So again, 14-foot short wall. If you're gonna do a no slide trailer, this would be a great layout. So does have a step at the escape door. No scratches, no dings, no anything on this trailer. So owners had a life change. It's the only reason that it's for sale. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Fully lined and insulated. Airflow dividers, padded dividers, lower divider, roof vents, LED lights, sliders on the rear. I mean, it still smells new. Still smells 100% new. Walk-through door. Of course, it does have mangers. All right. We step up in the LQ. It does have a slide out step here. Okay, as I said, this is the riser wall. So let me go up here, show you the bed area. It's got a corner cabinet, not a corner cabinet, a cabinet up there. Cabinets in the nose with mirrors. It does have the steps up to the bed. Couch does make a bed. They've done theirs with a fold-up table, so you can take that table out. This would be the hickory color cabinetry, which I actually like. I think it's a lot lighter for giving the illusion of a bigger trailer. So, rear kitchen does have a microwave, double sink. This unit does have a big fridge, ducted AC with a propane furnace. Radio, it does have a TV stand or arm, TV arm with all the TV connections. So let me back up a little bit so you can kind of see. Again, everything in this trailer is like new. I mean, pretty much brand new. Big fridge. It does have a pantry. So it does have pantry cabinets. Huge bathroom, big dome shower, porcelain toilet, sink and vanity. And I love this closet. So it has a huge walk-in closet. A lot of hanging space, some shelving. I kind of spin around in the closet so you can kind of see the rest of the bathroom. So I'm in the closet. Big shower. So this would be an 84, so 4 horse, 8 wide, 14-foot short wall, Bison Ranger. I'm gonna say like new, 2020. Okay guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. Super nice trailer if you're looking for a 4 horse with a lot of room in the LQ, 14-foot short wall.